How to use your COVID-19 home test. Here are the contents you will get. First, there will be a result finder, a swab, a tube with a cap, and a liquid that comes in an eyedropper package. First, remove the lid of the tube and then pour the liquid from the eyedropper package into the tube. The next step is to take the swab, put it into your nostrils, and slowly spin 5 times. Do the same thing for the other side. Take the swab and put it into your other nostril and spin slowly 5 times. Now take the swab and put it into the tube with the liquid. Then stir 15 times. After that, take both sides of the tube and squeeze. And then take out the swab. Put the cap back on and take off the smaller cap as shown in the illustration. There will be a tiny tube for the liquid to come out. Now take the tube with the liquid and squeeze exactly 3 drops onto the oval part of the result finder. You should see that the oval and the rectangle is gradually turning a light shade of purple. As the rectangle is gradually turning purple, you might see strips of dark purple. If it is on C and T, that means you are positive. If it is only on C, then you are negative. If it is neither of these two, the test is invalid and you need to take another COVID test. Thanks for watching!